Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I welcome you to my 16th lecture. I've been talking about presentation skills. And presentation skills, I discussed the importance of eye contact, and I told you certain reasons that why one may make an eye contact with public. I'm going to elaborate. I am going to define some more reasons that why one may maintain an eye contact. So in this lecture, I am going to focus upon this point, which is when you look when you look a person in the eye, you communicate confidence and belief in your point of view. One of the advantages of making an eye contact with the public is you try to communicate confidence, belief along with your ideas. It's very rare you talk, you share, you present your idea. That's very simple, that's very general, but it's more striking, it's wonderful, and it's amazing if you communicate confidence and your belief along with your main ideas, along with your material, along with your content, along with your views, along with your opinions, along with your thoughts. Means you try to make your arguments effective, believable for your audience. These things happen. You communicate confidence, you communicate belief with your ideas. These things are possible, these things happen when you look a person in the eye. If you don't look the person in the eye, you don't make an eye contact. It means you don't communicate confidence, you don't communicate your belief, and ultimately you don't communicate your message. So once again, I would say the same word that I told you in my last lecture, that these all things are interconnected, these all things are intermingled, these things are mixed. If you leave one thing and take another, it means you are disturbing the sequence. If you give importance to one thing and you don't value the other one, it means you are not going to uh, deliver present a wonderful presentation. I yesterday I was uh, listening to one of the speakers yesterday. He was repeating the word again and again. That was killer presentation. So I would elaborate this word in a way that killer presentation means it basically wins the hearts of people. You might have listened the word killing smile, killing quotation, and killing personality, so on. These killing means attracting. This killing means uh, inviting. This killing means arresting. So if you really want to grab the attention of audience, if you really want to be successful in your presentation, if you really want to communicate confidence, if you want to communicate belief, you want to communicate your ideas and all these things, then you need to make an eye contact with your public. Next one is one of the most powerful means of communicating confidence and conviction is sustained focused eye contact. This confidence and this belief give you what? They give you a quality of being sustained and maintaining focused eye contact. Sustaining means something that is continue, something that goes on, something that remains in process, something that you do continuously. Focused eye contact means you have focus with your public, you have focus, and you have an eye contact with the people around you. All right, so this is what uh, focused and sustained eye contact is. So all these things once again will happen when you basically uh, make an eye contact effectively. Later on, the next point is sustained focused uh, sorry sustained focused eye contact makes you feel more confident and act more assertively. It may feel weird at first, but when you practice it, it becomes a habit that gives you power. So this means basically at the beginning level, it's difficult for students and comrades to make an eye contact. They feel shy, they feel hesitation to make an eye contact. But if you make a sustained and focused eye contact, then it gives you confidence, and then you act effectively. So it may appear sometimes weird, it may sometimes appear a kind of thing that you don't like, that you are making an eye contact with public. So it's a kind of embarrassing, it's a kind of irritating for the public who are for the public who is looking at you, and the people whom you are looking at. So at the beginning level, it may be a kind of embarrassing, a kind of irritating response. But later on, once you practice it, when it becomes your habit, then it gives you power, it gives you authority, it gives you confidence, it gives you belief, it gives you everything that you want in your presentation. So uh, it gives you power. And the next one is, when your listeners see your eyes scanning their faces, they feel invited to engage with you. By scanning means you look at the faces of your public. Say suppose there are girls, there are boys, there may be teachers, or there even maybe your students. So when you scan their faces, when you look at their faces, you try to understand okay, what they are feeling, how they are getting my ideas. And when you look at their faces, when you scan them, they feel invited, they feel that you are talking to them. It means they are not unwelcome there, rather they are welcome. They are welcome because you have maintained an eye contact with them, and they feel engaged with you. They feel encouraged to signal to you how they feel about what you are saying. Definitely, once you make an eye contact with them, then you come to know that they feel, whether they feel encouraged, whether they feel discouraged, whether they feel motivated, whether they feel inspired, whether they feel demotivated, or they are feeling, they are feeling boring, or etc etc. So you can feel all these things. Acha, how you can fill them? With nods means uh, you know uh, shaking your head up and down, frowns, certain facial expressions, or skeptical raisings of their eyebrows. How they raise their eyebrows, whether they are feeling, they are raising their eyebrows happily or sadly or unangrily, and so on. I hope that you have got whatever I have said you. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me through resource person. Till that, stay blessed, stay safe, stay at your home. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.